This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Bluetooth on your Nissan Altima. Let's start with some quick checks. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. Also, confirm your Altima's ignition is in the ACK or ON position. It's important to ensure no other devices are currently paired. Finally, try moving your phone closer to the vehicle's head unit for a stronger signal. These simple steps often resolve common connection issues quickly. Next, let's try resetting your Bluetooth connections. Begin by deleting the Altima from your phone's list of paired devices. Then, remove your phone from the Altima's Bluetooth device list within the vehicle's settings. A simple soft reset of your smartphone, by restarting it, can also work wonders. For a more thorough reset, you can disconnect the vehicle's negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes, which often clears system glitches. Now, let's dive into your Altima's specific Bluetooth settings. Access the vehicle's audio system menu to find the Bluetooth options. It's crucial to confirm that Bluetooth is actually enabled within these settings. Also, check for any active privacy settings that might be preventing a connection. Finally, ensure the vehicle's system volume is not muted or set too low, as this can sometimes be mistaken for a connection problem. If you're still experiencing issues, consider these advanced steps. Try pairing a different phone to your Altima to help isolate whether the problem is with your phone or the vehicle. Also, ensure your smartphone's operating system is updated to its latest version. For specific guidance, consult your Altima's owner's manual. If all else fails, contacting a Nissan dealership for professional diagnostic assistance is always a wise next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.